Hey y'all! That's so ugly. Hey, welcome to Catching Kierra. Thank you for tuning in, all of that good stuff. So, of course, I think I've told y'all before about my skin issues. I was really having some challenges. My face kept breaking out. I went to the dermatologist. They prescribed me something and it wasn't working. I think I was having to take a pill, and I think you all know, but I'm kind of particular of what I take into my body, especially with pharmaceutical meds, because I may even have something for like cramps or for a headache or anything like that. So I just try to minimize what I'm taking and what's going through my liver and my lungs, all of that good stuff. So I found something, and the way I found it, it was very random. I went to a very small city. I don't even remember the name of it. But shout out to Grace. I'll post her name and give you all that information because she's a client. So now I have two clients, or not client. She's a representative. She is a, what do you call those people when they sell stuff? A salesman, whatever. But she's a great person. But it's two people that I work with now, and one is local. But I started using this skin regimen because when I saw Grace, her skin was flawless. And so I asked her what did she use for her skin, and I was searching so hard, y'all. I mean, I was doing scrubs, I was watching all of these other like YouTube videos, just trying to find ways. I kept asking my friends, what do you use on your skin? Because I just kept seeing people with beautiful skin. And y'all, do you notice that people with like gorgeous skin, I was like, what is your skin regimen? Oh, just water, just soap and water. It's almost like they just, you know, take care of it, but it's like very simple. So for me though, I have oily skin. My skin marks up, but sometimes it goes away. It's not that bad. I think I'm just very particular because I always see myself on like TV or pictures, and I don't always want to wear makeup. And now I don't have to. So this has been very liberating for me. And so what I've started using is, let them see it, let them see you. And so what I've started using is Rodent & Fields, and this I'll show you. This is what I have been using. Excuse the rollers. I still use rollers. But this is what I've been using. So the bottle doesn't look like this, obviously. That's my Voice Restore spray bottle. But because I'm traveling, I put the liquid in here because the ounce of the original bottle is too large for me to travel with in my carry-on. So that's the liquid in there, which is step 1, and then this is step 2, and then this is step 3. So all of the steps are on there, and I think when you first start, you have to use it twice, but this literally has like changed my life. And then I have noticed though, when I'm not consistent with it, my skin will react again. And that could be because I don't take off my makeup at night, but I'm doing better at that. And by the way, but I use these faithfully. Pond's wipes, they literally are like soap and water in a napkin. This is what I also use to take off my makeup. And George actually introduced me to this. And it feels good. It doesn't sting my skin afterwards. My skin feels refreshed after I use it. But that's it. I do that before I do this. And then this too. So I know a lot of us are like, hey, I need to buy some containers or whatever. But no, you don't have to buy no containers. You find some stuff that you can put this stuff in. So like this my edge control, but it's gonna turn into a container for some liquid that I have to travel with. And I will be saving money. Recycle! I ain't putting that stuff in no recycle bins. I'm gonna make my own recycle bin, okay? But anyways, this is an old prescription bottle, and this actually, they let me get away with this because this is 4.2 fluid ounces. So hopefully I didn't jinx myself, but God be with me. God be with me, because this, it is quite, the price on it, it's quite prosperous, yes, but it's worth it. I promise, it's so worth it. And then I usually use a smaller amount, so I'm not like squeezing a whole bunch in my hand as if it's just Neutrogena. But it's worth it. I can say it's worth it. So I usually put it in here because the ounces are too large. And then I use this Foreo. Love the Foreo. Because, why do I love the Foreo? Because it doesn't hold bacteria. Like, you can wash it. It like cleanses itself, if that makes sense. It's rubber, and this, I love it. It's just perfect. It's rubber, it cleans itself. I can put it in my bag. I don't have to, like, you know how they have the brushes and stuff. I don't have to clean the brush. I still clean it, you know, and do that, but it literally is like, it cleans itself. So it's almost like self-sufficient. So thank you so much, Sister Foreo. Thank you, Foreo. But anyway, so I'm gonna go over the regimen too much, right? And here we go. So of course I wash my hands, all of that good stuff. And I hope y'all try it. It really helps. It's so amazing. But that's too hot. The water done warmed up. I don't wanna go to hell. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. First of all, this water is still in my hands. That's so retarded. But I put this much in there. That's all I have. And I rub this on my face. I feel like a true freaking YouTuber. What's good? And see, me, I have to feel like I'm really cleansing myself. So you don't have to do this, but I'm gonna give myself a little bit more. Cause I usually break out on my forehead. And I just really make sure I'm getting all this good stuff. And rinse my hands. Here's when the Foreo comes in. Lord guide me. I got all that water. It feels good. It feels refreshed. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is, I don't have my wipes or my little like cotton swab thingies, so I'm gonna use some tissue today. Y'all understand? Y'all get it? But I'm gonna spray it. This actually helps me to minimize myself from like not using the product so much, though I just did like 30 sprays. So the only disadvantage that I have when using tissue is that you start getting tissue balls on your skin, and I have often left with that, but that's my fault. And then I use this. I usually do 2 squeezes of it because it's so little, but that's that. I'm making sure I'm getting my forehead and this part, like in my nose, because that's where I break out. But I do that. These lashes, I gotta get my lashes refilled. And then after that is step 4. Uh-oh, that one isn't open. Uh-oh, it ain't much in that one, so I gotta open the new one. As you can see, I really try to preserve, obviously, which is good. So let me open this. Yes. That's still too much, but that's how much I just put in my hand. But look at how small this part is. That's the one you gotta, like, ask the Lord to help you. Uh-oh, I put too much on. I put too much on, y'all. Because now my face about to look blue. So, now I gotta rub this in. Uh-oh, I put too much on, y'all. That's so dumb. But you can see when you rub it in, it'll go away. And you know another thing, Mama taught me, she said stop rubbing your face down. Make sure you, I put too much. That's not, I just wasted all that product. Goodness. But I was going to say, Mama tells me to, I'm sure some of you may know the same thing, especially us with the nice melanin and the vibrant colors. But she told me to stop rubbing my skin down because that's how you can get bags and stuff, and your skin is like elastic. You know, it stretches and moves how you want it to go. So that's it. That's my skin regimen. I feel good. I feel refreshed. Whatever they have in there, it's something that makes my skin feel really good. Like, I'm not even blowing it up. This ain't even a paid sponsorship. I just want to provide a solution for somebody that's having skin problems. But that's it. I love y'all. I hope you loved it. Click the notifications, click the subscribe button, all of that good stuff. Please comment below. Let me know what's your journey like, if you liked it or not. All that good stuff. And I gave you a few things. So I gave you how you can recycle some, recycle your tubes and your things that you don't use instead of throwing them away. If you travel, you can use that instead of having to go and buy a travel kit. Because I lose stuff. I have to be better with that. So that's why I'm trying to use the kits or whatever, or the little old tubes and containers. But it is Rodent and Fields. I don't think I gave you that. It's Rodent and Fields, and it's called the Unblemished because they have different things that you can buy, but it's unblemished. And then I use the Pond's wipes, and that's pretty much it. I hope it helps you. Love you guys. Mwah!